That depends on the person and how long they've been having that pain.
Okay.
Usually, with one session, people feel better. Minimum at 10 visits. That's a minimum because everybody is different and everybody reacts in a different way. But they need minimum 10 sessions. Yeah, after a session, you can feel sore, like after the workout, that kind of soreness. It's gonna be okay after 24 hours, maybe 2 days. You're gonna be okay. It's okay. That's a normal reaction, and sometimes it's a little more pain, and we call it healing crisis. It's like the body really getting in touch with the injury and letting go. But myofascial release is not painful. Some
Mhm.
people say, "Oh, it's gonna be painful." No, it won't be painful because it's very gentle. What you feeling is what your body has already. You've been in pain for so long, and most people don't know that they are tight in their belly, their core, and we hold there a lot. We hold fear, anxiety, belief system, programs, so many things that when we touch, then they feel, oh, it's something there, but they weren't aware of it. And
Okay.
when they feel my hands on their body, that's when they realize, what? I didn't know I was tied there. I didn't know I had something. And when
Mhm.
I press on their belly, they can feel pain on their shoulders, like it goes straight to the shoulder, to the neck, or going down to the legs, because the body is all connected. And it's not just your body, it's your whole life. Your
Okay.
body to your spirit, to your soul, to your life, to your everyday life, to your relationships, everything. Something is
Okay.
not working, reflect in the body. The body will tell you something is wrong. I have this pain, but it's not a disease. It's just the body talking to you. It's something is not right.